Hello friends, welcome to Info Tech Solution. Today we will discuss how to post a picture in TikTok comments. Let's dive in without any delays. First off, open TikTok on your phone. Once you are in, check out the posts. To add a picture in the comments, pause the video and tap on the message icon on the left side. Hold the specific comment and a pop-up with different options will appear. Tap on the first option, which is Reply with a Video. A new window will show up. Click on the Upload option in the bottom right corner. Now, choose any picture or video you want. You can edit by dragging to remove extra text. Once you are done, click Next at the bottom. You will be taken to a page where you can tag people, add locations, and more. When everything looks good, tap on the Post option in the bottom right corner. Your photo will be uploaded in the comments. To take a look, open the specific post, check the comments, and scroll a bit. Here is your posted photo. So, that was all about how to post a picture on TikTok comments. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more tech informational videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.